Good morning, children. Today we shall talk about measurement. Have you seen your mother putting every ingredient carefully in a certain amount while cooking? Or sometimes when you are not well, your parents may touch your forehead to find out whether you have fever or not. Or at times you are able to figure out that your school bag is heavier or lighter from other days just by holding it. All this may not be accurate or exact, but you at least get a fair idea. This rough idea of how much is called estimated. The rough idea of how much is called estimation. In many cases, this estimation skill is very useful for us, and as we saw, we make use of it in everyday life. Even you kids are really good in estimation, believe me. Looking at your homework, don't you estimate how much timing you will take to complete your homework and how much time will left for playing. But students, you do things every time this estimation can work. Students, do you think every time this estimation can work? No, definitely not at all the time. Like if you want to go to your friend's place and you have his address but no idea how far or near it is, then you will be confused whether you should go there on foot or you use a bicycle or you need to take a bus. In this case, knowing the exact distance between your home and friend's place help you to choose the appropriate mode of transport. Let us take another example. How do you verify that a new pair of pants is of correct length for you? That is, it is of your exact size. For this, you measure in your length right. So students, what is measurement? So by measuring you get accurate dimensions, that is length, breadth or height, accurate capacity or quantity of an object. Not just this, even the distance traveled or the duration of task can be measured. Okay. We also need to know how far or near an object. For this, we measure the distance of an object from a certain place. So students, there are different units in which we measure the height, weight, time, distance, etc. Let us study these different units of measurement today. First one is measuring time. We measure time with the help of clock or watch. The standard unit of measuring time is seconds. We measure time with the help of pendulum clocks, quartz clocks and digital clocks also. So students, 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour and 24 hours equals to 1 day. So we can measure longer periods of time in days, months and year. Next is measuring length, width and height. So students, we measure the length of an object to know how long it is, width of an object to know how wide or broad it is, and height of an object to know how tall it is. Units like feet and inches were used to measure the height, length and width of all objects. All over the world, the metric system is being accepted for measuring these three dimensions. So students, Things used for measuring dimensions are ruler and measuring tape. So 100 millimeters equals to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter, 1000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. So long distance are measured in kilometers and 1 inch equals to 2.54 centimeters. Next is measuring mass. Students, a spring balance, a physical balance or a digital balance is used to measure how heavy an object is. We use the weight of solids in grams. We measure the weight of solids in grams and kilograms. 1000 grams equals to 1 kilogram. Fruits, vegetables and grocery items are also measured in grams and kilograms. So 1000 milligram equals to 1 gram and 1000 grams equals to 1 kilogram. Students, liquids are always measured in liters and milliliters. 1000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. As liquid takes the shape of the container, it is the capacity of the container which determines how much the liquid contains liquid. So measuring jars comes in different capacities for measuring liquids. So 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter and 1000 liters equals to 1 kiloliter. These are the measuring jars. So student, this is all about our chapter measurement. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.